In this video we will learn how to activate ESET. Visit ESET login website if you already have an account, then please log in with your credentials. If you do not have account, please create a new account. Once you create a new account, you will get an email. Please confirm your email address by clicking on the link in the email. After confirming your email address, go back to the ESET website and click on Get Started. After you click on Get Started, you will see three different options. First option is to enter activation code. Second option is to buy a subscription. Third option is for free trial. We will choose the first option and click on Continue. After entering your activation code, screen will ask you for your personal information. Please enter all the information and click on Add Subscription. Now click on Protect Device. You will be presented with two options. Protect this device or protect another device. If you want to download ESET on this computer, please click on Protect this device. If you click on Protect another device, it will send you an email with the download link.